Welcome back to Ours Royal Kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. And today I'm going to share a very quick and easy assembling of the leftover potato filling with easily available hands-on ingredients at home. It's very common to have some leftover veggies from the previous meals. So let's begin. Here I have taken potato filling or aloo masala left from the yesterday's aloo parathas and few slices of cheese and some slices of bread for sandwiches. You can always go for brown bread or multigrain breads of your choice. I had these, so I'm using them. A dollop of butter is needed, and mayonnaise I'm using here eggless. You can use whatever is available. Assemble them. I have applied butter on the outer side of the bread, and on the inner side of the bread I will apply mayonnaise and spread the potato filling and put a slice of cheese, slice of bread on it, and toast them on a grill pan. And if you don't have that, you can always toast them on a regular dosa tawa also if you don't have a grill pan. Use any pan or tawa you have. Here I have smeared my grill pan with little butter, and then I'll place the sandwich on it. Turn and toast them well till they get golden crust. And look, in no time our yummy and delicious potato cheese or aloo cheese grilled sandwiches are ready. Meanwhile, I'll just slice a cucumber and we'll quickly make some mango smoothie and garnish it with your favorite nuts. I have used almonds here. And trust me guys, it hardly took 5 minutes to assemble the ingredients and grill them. I have served these sandwiches with cucumber salad and almond mango smoothie, and I'm sure most of the homemakers usually use this trick to prepare quick breakfast or evening snack regularly. With this, we come to the end of today's recipe. So guys, I hope you like watching the videos I upload here. So goodbye until the next one, and for more such recipes, do share, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching guys.